Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my podcast. My name is Demetrius with DVI Consulting. Today, I want to talk about sourcing tools regarding procurement. Now, I know that there's multiple different sourcing tools out there, software that you have a lot to choose from. Um, some as the major threes of Oracle, SAP, Ariba, or even Coupa. Something as low as um, even some Microsoft platforms or even Kilovar, just to name a few. Uh, there's a lot of different options you could talk about and what best fits your needs and how much time you want to spend as far as setting up uh, your bid sheets. A lot of these lower cost options have quick, easy functionality where you can take the data, manipulate it, create a quick bid sheet for a sourcing event. Um, some don't have the best capabilities as far as the RFI questionnaire, where you can put in templates and various templates for sourcing events. It's ultimately what it comes down to is that how much do you have to spend and how much can you justify an ROI for these software tools. Where I could talk about next is a sourcing tool with your ERP system. Now, there's two different ways you can actually have a sourcing software. You could have a standalone system that sits outside of your ERP system. Um, that's one of the most common ones, the least cost-effective methodology, where you can create quick, easy bid sheets, live auctions, sourcing events. Um, when going integrated with your ERP system, now it's much more costly, uh, where you actually have to set up the ERP system, the data inputs, where your vendor selection can be manipulated to create a sourcing event, and then the data can ultimately feed into your sourcing tool. Uh, they're great, easy, quick functionality. Uh, in recent experience, I've seen some of those sourcing tools just to implement your ERP system is in a mid six figure functionality or close to it. It just depends on how much your company spends and how much you want to put into an ROI comparison. There's a lot of different data potential sourcing events and capabilities. A lot of them have to do with um, the spend, what the area of spend is, what the current market valuations are, and how that particular commodity sits within that in the current marketplace and how marketable is it. For example, assets are asset procurement, whether it's material handling, power assets, forklifts, trailers, is a high commodity where there's a large spend and a lot of different opportunities for sourcing in various configurations where you can put multiple suppliers in one place and bid on each other. For some smaller categories such as um, shop supplies, hardwares, fasteners, depending on your spend, where they have low introduction pricing, giveaway items, where there's very little savings opportunities on there. So, one of the best things I can advise on any different sourcing tools is not the bid sheet and the RFI questionnaire or the template, but their actual data analytics. Um, this will ultimately uh, make or break a good sourcing event as far as how well you can present the data to the C suite or to your business units, and how much time do you want to spend after the sourcing event of manipulating data in order to show bid comparisons, pricing evaluations, so forth. Um, Best thing I would do is to sign up for any different uh, software company to actually promote at least a 1 week or a 2 week trial. You can run into a few source events with that software system before you actually were to make the commitment of spending that much money into a system. So that's a quick high overview on sourcing tools and software systems. For more additional information, please visit me at www.dviconsulting.org or email me at dv@dviconsulting.com. Thanks. Have a great day.